I just finished lunch and I've been super distracted. I don't have the motivation to study. So it is basically just a weekend of a normal week. Don't really have a lot of exams coming up, but we're starting clinicals next week. So I'm just trying to like revise as much as possible because we're probably gonna get a lot busy when clinicals start. We are going to JB. It is 8:01 and we have crossed both customs. Not hungry either.
But it's okay, let's eat.
What are we gonna eat?
Cha shao shao rou. Wow, the cha shao melts in your mouth.
I got new shoes. Okay, let's go eat now.
Okay, let's eat.